Sammy's Kitchen. My name is Tamara Jelimo. Today I'm here to show you guys a recipe of dark chocolate cake. So make sure to watch to the end of this video to see the end results. So let's start. First, we are going to need 180 grams of flour with a teaspoon of baking powder, 270 grams of sugar, 75 grams of melted margarine, and 140 grams of buttermilk. And we are also going to need the cocoa. We are going to need 20 grams of cocoa and 2 eggs. So let's start the mixing part. First, we are going to take the flour and the baking powder mixed in with the cocoa. It's important to sift your flour because it prevents all the small particles from ruining the cake. For now, we are going to use this spatula. As you can see, these are the particles that we are trying to avoid. As you can see, there's still some flour left, so we are going to scoop out it because we don't want to waste anything, because when you waste it, all that flour that you are leaving here is also part of the measurements. So let's start. Now we are going to add the sugar. For the chocolate cake recipe, we are going to mix in the wet ingredients separated with the dry ingredients. So let's mix in the dry ingredients first. Make sure all of it is mixed in very well. Now we are done with the dry ingredients. We are going to take another bowl. We are going to take our melted margarine. We are going to scoop out everything. And the buttermilk. And mix it, including the 2 eggs. And we are going to mix it. And our wet ingredients are ready. And we are going to take our dry ingredients and mix it in with the wet ingredients. Make sure all of it is in. And we are going to fold it in. Make sure to mix it in slowly, because when making a cake, when you have already added the flour, you should not mix it in so fast, because it will form something called gluten and the cake will become very hard, or it will become so spongy. Just slowly as you fold it in, as you can see. Just slowly till everything is mixed in. As you can see, it already has the chocolate color, and I'm loving the color. As you can see, it's coming in together. As you can see, our cake batter is ready. You may notice that chocolate cake has more liquidy texture because it should be like that. Don't add more flour because it should be that texture. That texture is the right texture. That liquid texture. And our cake batter is ready. Don't mix it for too long. And we are going to take our 1 kg pan. I've just buttered it up with margarine and lined in some parchment paper. And we are going to add in our cake batter. Make sure to mix in all the cake batter in. After you have scooped out everything, we are going to put that aside. We are going to take our cake batter. As you can see, it's all in. Now we are going to tap it. This tapping process is important because after the cake is out of the oven, we want to prevent air bubbles stuck in the cake. As you can see, there's some bubble rising up to the top. That was the air bubbles that was stuck in the cake. Now our cake batter is ready to go into the oven. I just turned on the oven on 180 degrees for 30 minutes. And let's open our oven. Make sure to be careful when putting your cake batter in the oven. Just put it on the middle of the pan and we are going to close it. Set it for 30 minutes and we'll be back to show you guys the process. It's been about 10 minutes and the cake is already rising. It's already looking yummy. And now we are going to let it for till all the time is done or till the cake is ready. And now it's been about 30 minutes and I think the cake is ready. Let's check on it. We are going to take our cake tester and poke it at the middle. As you can see, there's nothing on the cake tester, and that's when we know the cake is ready. We take the cake out of the oven, close the oven, turn off the heat. And now we set our cake on the cooling rack. We have to flip it. Take it out slowly. And this process should be taken slow. Because since the cake is still hot and it's still soft, you take it slowly. Wow. Still hot. Take it out slowly. Put that aside. Now we are going to flip the cake even if it's still hot. You can leave it like this, but now we are going to flip it. And there it is, our dark chocolate cake. Now we are going to let it cool till it's all completely cool, till the middle, and we are going to cut it out. I'll see you guys when it's all cooled down. Now the cake is all cooled completely and ready to enjoy with your family and friends. Now I'm going to cut it for you guys. See how it looks. Let me take this piece. It's not yet cut through, but it's okay. I'm going to cut it nicely. As you can see, it's ready. It's all cooked through. It's spongy and it looks ready to eat. We take our plate. Let me taste. This is amazing. I hope you guys try this recipe at home because it will literally be the best cake you'll ever taste. So make sure to like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications to see more videos. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.